Welcome to Vietnam Step by Step, your trusted companion on every journey to discover the beauty and wonder of Vietnam. Inspired by a deep love for this land, our explorations are not just about breathtaking landscapes or vibrant cities, but also the rich tapestry of culture and cuisine that makes Vietnam truly unforgettable. Today, we invite you to embark on a flavorful adventure, one that will awaken your senses and ignite your curiosity. We are about to unravel the story behind a culinary icon that has captured hearts across the globe. Banh Mi Vietnam, known to many as the world's most delicious sandwich. Picture the sun rising over the bustling streets of Hanoi, the ancient capital where tradition meets modernity. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread, mingling with the scent of herbs and spices. Here, banh mi is more than just food. It is a daily ritual, a symbol of resilience and creativity. As you wander through narrow alleyways and vibrant markets, you encounter street vendors expertly filling crisp baguettes with an array of colorful ingredients. Each banh mi is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, reflecting the soul of Vietnamese culture. But to truly appreciate banh mi, we must journey back in time. Its origins are rooted in history, entwined with the arrival of the French in the late 19th century. The baguette, once a foreign novelty, found new life in the hands of Vietnamese bakers. Over generations, they transformed it, infusing local rice flour to create a lighter, crunchier crust, perfect for the tropical climate. This innovation is a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of the Vietnamese people. Banh mi became a canvas for creativity, evolving to reflect regional tastes and ingredients. Geographically, Vietnam's diverse landscape has played a vital role in shaping its culinary traditions. From the lush deltas of the Mekong, where fresh vegetables and herbs thrive, to the rolling hills of central Vietnam, rich in spices and meats, each region adds its own touch to the banh mi experience. In Saigon, the sandwich bursts with pickled carrots, daikon, pâté, and fiery chili sauce. In Hoi An, you'll find a sweeter, softer bite, often accompanied by local specialties like grilled pork or fried eggs. These variations are not just about taste. They tell the story of Vietnam's rich biodiversity and agricultural heritage. The science behind banh mi is equally fascinating. The perfect loaf relies on a delicate balance of ingredients and technique. Rice flour is blended with wheat to achieve an airy texture, while steam baking ensures a golden, crackling crust. This method, rooted in both French baking traditions and Vietnamese resourcefulness, creates a bread that is light yet sturdy enough to hold a generous filling. Studies have shown that the combination of carbohydrates, proteins, and fresh vegetables in banh mi offers a balanced meal, ideal for the fast-paced lifestyle of urban Vietnam. Yet, the magic of banh mi extends beyond its ingredients. It is a cultural bridge connecting people from all walks of life. Whether enjoyed on a busy street corner or in a family kitchen, banh mi brings together flavors and stories, old and new. The act of sharing a banh mi is an invitation to experience Vietnamese hospitality, a warmth that welcomes every traveler. For those eager to explore the heart of Vietnam, banh mi offers countless opportunities for adventure. Imagine cycling through the ancient streets of Hoi An, stopping at local bakeries to sample regional specialties. Or picture yourself joining a cooking class in Ho Chi Minh City, learning to craft your own banh mi from scratch, guided by passionate chefs who share their family secrets. Venture further, and you might discover rural villages where bread is baked in traditional clay ovens, each loaf infused with the spirit of the community. Outdoor enthusiasts will find joy in pairing culinary exploration with scenic travel. Trek through the terraced rice fields of Sapa, then recharge with a hearty banh mi filled with mountain herbs and smoked meats. Paddle along the winding rivers of the Mekong Delta, savoring banh mi stuffed with freshly caught fish and aromatic greens. Every region offers a unique twist, making each tasting a new adventure. Beyond food, banh mi is woven into the fabric of Vietnamese life. It features in festivals, street performances, and everyday celebrations. Travelers can immerse themselves in local culture by attending banh mi competitions or joining community feasts, where the humble sandwich takes center stage. Such experiences foster deeper connections, revealing the stories and traditions that shape this remarkable country. As you journey through Vietnam, let Bánh Mì guide your path, not just as a meal, but as a gateway to understanding the land and its people. Each bite is a testament to history, geography, and the boundless creativity of Vietnamese cuisine. The sandwich's international acclaim is well-deserved. It stands as a symbol of Vietnam's openness to the world, blending influences while remaining unmistakably unique. We invite you to embrace the spirit of discovery. Whether you are a food lover, a culture seeker, or an adventurer at heart, let Bánh Mì be your starting point. Explore local markets, chat with vendors, and taste the flavors that define this extraordinary country. Capture the panoramic beauty of Vietnam's landscapes, from soaring mountains to tranquil coasts, and savor the richness of its food and culture. As we conclude this journey, remember that the adventures do not end here. Vietnam, step by step, is dedicated to guiding you through every corner of this land, uncovering hidden gems and sharing unforgettable moments. If you've enjoyed this exploration of bánh mì, the world's most delicious sandwich, we invite you to continue the voyage with us. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected and inspired. Together, we will step by step unveil the wonders of Vietnam, one story, one flavor, and one adventure at a time.